Will XRP be able to hit $10 this year? Hey guys, Foxy Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we're talking about XRP Ripple. So Mr. Jack Claver said that he sees Ripple going to $10 to $13 and even possibly 20 to 25 by the end of the year. And I personally think that is very obtainable. I have said in my portfolio video that I am a holder of Ripple. I have been for a while now. And I put it under the category of steady growth because I was estimating it to be around a 2 to 5x. You know, it's a stable play. It's an easy growth. And I think $10 to $13 by the end of the year is actually very, very achievable, especially because we have ETFs to launch this week. And if you don't know what the ETFs are, I'm going to talk about it in just 1 second. I just want to go over XRP with you guys, just for any of the new viewers that maybe don't know what XRP is. The easiest way I can explain to you what XRP is, it's kind of like the Stride. I don't know if you know what Stride is. It's not the institution. It's like a platform where you send money. So basically, XRP is trying to be Stride, except it's doing it at a much lower cost, and it's insanely fast worldwide. That's what XRP is trying to do, and they're trying to implement it in real life situations, and we'll see how that goes. But that's like a whole other long breakdown videos about all their utility in the real world and all that. I kind of want to keep this one a little bit shorter and just talk about the ETFs a little bit and look at market structure. So that's what we're going to do. So as I said, ETFs are launching this week. ETFs are pretty important, not just for XRP, but for crypto in general. So I'm just going to give you like 2-3 points about the ETFs and what they could do for XRP and for a crypto. So basically, ETF approval would regulate exposure for traditional investors. What that means is things like mutual funds or pension funds, they're restricted to buying crypto directly due to like laws and all that, depending where you are. And ETF like this one allows that to be brought down a little and those barriers to come down, and it creates a more accessible way to get them. So it allows you to move price more, which is good for us because that would mean more bullishness. All right. An ETF like this also gives exposure on not only Ripple, but on other sanctioned cryptocurrencies that can start to see, oh, what if an ETF happened for this? Then we would also have the same effect as Ripple. Okay. And with that comes a lot more of liquidity and price. So an ETF, it will raise the price of Ripple and it will give us bullishness. And that's exactly what we want. We want ETFs to happen. Okay, so that is basically the simplest terms I can give you for the ETFs. If you want to read more about it, you can just Google it. There's very, very long articles about it. A lot of information to go upon. For any of the new viewers, let's have a look at the website just a little bit, just so you're familiar with it. You can go on it right over here, website. You can see about docs, resources, community. Scroll through the website a little bit. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm not going to go, because there's a lot of reading that you can do. High performance, low cost, decentralized, community, reliability, development. All right. So now let's look at market structure for Ripple. Okay. So it's been out long time. All right. We don't have to look at any of the past, but in recent times, we can see that there is this massive support zone right over here. We see that it touches it multiple times. It does not close below it. So we know that this is a strong area to look forward to, right? What else can I see right away? This imbalance in price. Usually when there's an imbalance in price likes to retest it. And we can use it to see where it wants to go. You see how it tapped a few times and it went higher? That means this is a strong bullish balance in price. Doing what? Leading it to go higher. So now I do want price to go higher, especially with ETFs and with FOMC. We could see price starting to go to this liquidity right over here. Okay. What else can we see that has been formed? A little bit of a downtrend right now because we went up very quickly, doing a little bit of correction. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get something like this, which is happening. A squeeze in the market. And that squeeze is going to explode during the rate cuts and during FOMC. So we'll see where that goes. Possibly maybe looking even at $4 by this month, maybe the next month. It's possible. It's very possible. Let's see what happens with rate cuts. Hopefully they are bullish for us because we want it to go up, so our pockets go up with it. And with that, I think I will conclude. And guys, remember, I am just a fox giving you my information. Do your own research. If you liked the video, comment, subscribe, give it a like. Let me know what other cryptos you want me to look at, talk about, and I'll see you in the next one.